Hi guys, Johnny O here. I got an update on the Grand National project. I'm at the body shop. I'm at F&R Auto Body in Johnsonville, New York. It's in upstate New York. And this is my Grand National. It's a 1987. I bought it brand new in 1988. I'm the original owner. I've driven it 350,000 miles. And we're here doing a restoration and a paint job and fixing everything that we can fix on it. So now, at this point, the body is off the frame. Here's the body. And over here's the frame, the rolling chassis. And we'll take a look at the frame closer in a minute. On the body, we got a lot of rust here on the fender wells. We'll go to the other side here. It's rusted right through right here. We got a good hole there, so we're going to replace these pieces. Probably try to get the inner fender well plastic for that too. The radiator support's got a fair amount of rust on it. Keep in mind this car was driven in the wintertime in its early years, so that's added to the rust. I'm gonna get a new radiator support, and we'll replace that. So here's a quick look inside the engine bay as to what we got going on there. Over here, inside, everything's been taken out. The carpet's all taken out. We got rust on the floor pans. I'm going to look into maybe replacing the full floor pan, and then we can get rid of this rust. Over on the other side we got some holes in the floor pan. We'll point those out when I get to that side. Trunk isn't too bad. This was repaired at one point in time on the fender wells. Not sure how this will show up with the lighting. Over here, here's we got holes in the floorboards for the floor pan, and we got a good sized hole back here. So we'll go over here and take a quick look at the rolling chassis. This body mount broke. We're going to replace all the body mounts. We're going to replace all the lines, the fuel lines, the brake lines, transmission lines. We're going to put stainless steel in. So we got some rust here where one of the body mounts is, and here's a frame repair washer that'll get welded in there once that gets cleaned up. That's the size that the hole should be, and you can see it's rusted away and the hole's gotten bigger. Got a new cross member. The cross member came from G-Body Parts, as did a lot of other things. I ordered this late last week. I think the order went in on Thursday or Friday, and it showed up to the body shop on Monday. So they did really fast shipping, which my experience with gbodyparts.com has been that they ship all their stuff real fast. It always shows up real quick. I'm not sure what I'm going to address with the motor. We got some oil leaks. We're definitely going to address those. Put new gaskets in there. Here on this side we got the same deal with the body mount holes here. Going to replace the exhaust. Put a stainless steel pipes exhaust on it. That's on order. Transmission's okay, and I'm going to replace the carpet. The guys are carrying the stuff away so we can get some of it out of here. We're going to lift the body up and take a quick peek underneath. This is the shop. Give you a quick view of the shop here. That's the machine shop area over there. This side is for mechanical. other projects going on. These are the doors off of my car. We started to strip those a little bit. Get your light at all by any chance? So thank you. So underneath here's the cross member that I just showed you that was laying over there. We're going to replace that. We got it rusted out over there pretty good. And over here is even worse. Here's what it looks like underneath here for the floor pan. So far this piece here, this is the wraparound. Well, I'm not quite sure what it's called. It's a wraparound piece that wraps around the floor pan. I'm going to call it a floor pan support piece. I have not been able to find that piece so far. When you order a new floor pan, I guess they don't come with them anymore, but they used to in the past. And we'll look over here on this side. This side is not as bad, but we want to replace that piece also. And when you order a new floor pan, we need to replace those pieces or reuse them. That bracket right there. And in the back. So we'll go to the back here, take a quick look. Lots of work to be done on this. This all started with a question to the body shop: can you replace my body bushings? And if there's anything else that you see needs to be done, point that out to me also, and let's address it. Well, there's a lot of stuff here that can be worked on, and we're going to make this car as good as we can. So at this point, I ordered a bunch of stuff from gbodyparts.com, and looks like I got to order a bunch more too. I'm going to put some suspension upgrades on this over here, and I'm going to talk about the suspension stuff in another video. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.